Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to my channel guys, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, don't forget to watch this video till the end. And so guys, I'm back with a very interesting video, a very amazing recipe that I will love to share with you. I just prepared it, and actually it was my first time preparing this recipe. So I'm going to prepare dengu recipe, or popularly known as green grams in English. Dengu is one major dishes prepared in Africa, more so here in Kenya, and it has got most healthy benefits. When I talk of healthy benefits, it helps one lose weight. It is high in fiber as well, and of course low in calories. Reduces blood pressure. Wale wase blood pressure, high blood pressure, it reduces pressure. It has a source of iron as well, and yeah, and many more guys. And so let's get into this video of today. So just remember to prepare all of your ingredients, just have them on set. And of course, onto my first step, I started by boiling my dengu recipe, pure boiling my recipe. And my first step, I went on and boiled my dengu and set it aside, as you can see on the video, just the way I did to mine. Yeah, and then you will proceed with the second step of chopping your ingredients, whereby when I'm talking about my ingredients, I mean the tomatoes, the onions, coriander, and the capsicum, which is optional guys. Some prefer using garlic, but I didn't just made it the simple way because of the kids. And today I will be blending my tomatoes, as you can see. This is because of the kids as well. Hawapendi kunaona nyanya ikichungulia hapo juu ya supu, so blend it. And mnajua to blended tomatoes inakwanga na supu ingine poa sana, like not the orange soup, but it brings out the perfect soup whenever you're preparing your meal. So guys, I hope you are liking this video. I hope you have subscribed at this point. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try this recipe as well. Let me know down in the comment section if you tried it. Let me know how out. And guys, let us meet on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.